Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to learn the type of cuts needed to edit a scene. Understanding them and knowing when to use them will greatly improve your storytelling as a director, a DOP, or an editor. Before we begin though, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get on with the show. The first one we're going to talk about is the standard cut. This is just putting two clips together to end a scene and begin another one. As simple as that. Lucy went to the river too, so I had to kind of rescue her. Kelly was going crazy on the top of the thing, so it wasn't a good experience. So hopefully this time it's a bit better. We've officially left the forest behind. The next cut is the jump cut. This type of cut is done with the intent of speeding up time. You may have seen this in YouTube videos whenever there's a talking head. This allows you to deliver information faster while hiding all the pauses, and other unwanted sections. The way you would do this is you're basically going to get a clip, cut out all the unwanted sections, delete the gaps, and that's a jump cut. The next cut is the jump cut. This type of cut is done with the intent of speeding up time. You may have seen this in YouTube videos whenever there's a talking head. This allows you to deliver information faster while hiding all the pauses. The next one is the J cut. This one is very popular in filmmaking. This cut brings the audio from the next scene into the current scene to bring the viewer on a journey. This cut is super simple to create. All you need to do is drag the audio from the second scene into the first scene before the picture cuts. Your viewers won't even know what just happened and how they got there. They will just be there. The next type of cut we're going to talk about is the L cut. This cut is the exact opposite of the J cut. This type of cut is super useful whenever editing dialogue, as it allows you to show reactions whenever there are two or more characters on a scene talking to each other. That makes sense.
My wife, her name's Teresa. She cuts hair.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Think about Teresa. Name of the game, move the money from your client's pocket into your pocket.
Right, but if you can make a client's money at the same time, it's advantageous to everyone, correct?
No.
Cutting on action. This one is the first cut filmmakers need to learn. No matter what you're cutting, this type of cut allows the audience to stay focused on the action happening throughout the scene. To create this, all you need to do is cut in motion, and in the next shot complete the motion from a different angle or on a different focal length. You could cut from a wide shot to a close-up to bring the viewer closer, or vice versa. You could cut from a close-up to a wide shot to introduce new information in your scene. The next shot we're going to talk about is the cutaways, also known as B-roll, the popularized term used by YouTubers. This term actually comes from the early filmmaking days. The term B-roll was used to denote the rolls of film strip that contain all complementary footage to a scene and could be captured by the second camera unit, like establishing shot or scenery shots. On the other hand, the A-roll was all the shots in a scene with your main actors, as they were very well looked after, and obviously filmed by the DP or the first camera unit.
The immersive quality of the image is second to none. We really try and create a sensation that I would describe as virtual reality without the goggles. The huge challenge is the size and weight of the cameras. So our feeling was if we could find a way to do it physically, the payoff would be well worth it.
The montage cut. This is quite similar to jump cuts, but it's more for the sequence rather than the scenes around it. This type of cut is very popular in filmmaking whenever a character is getting ready to face a challenge. For example, this is quite useful to create the illusion of time passing by, jumping from shot to shot in the same location, doing different actions. Say the character goes from learning to cook a dish to perfecting it over time to impress someone. In the other hand, you could cut from location to location doing the same action, let's say someone running, preparing for a marathon. So in conclusion, demontage is a perfect way to demonstrate change in your character's journey. This town is absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to film a bit of it. It's just stunning. The views, the mountains with the snow on the top and the lake, it's just absolutely amazing. We're gonna go for a walk now. Kelly is that way, so I'm gonna follow her and show you around. The next one is the match cut. This one is one of the coolest ways to bring your viewers on a journey without them realizing they have traveled. The way you would do this is to cut from action on scene A to similar action in scene B, but on a different location. This is quite a popular cut used by YouTubers like Sam Calder, but it has also been masterfully used by filmmakers for a very long time. For example, in this scene from The Graduate.
Ben, what are you doing?
Well, I would say that I'm just drifting here in the pool.
Why?
Well, it's very comfortable just to drift here.
Okay, that's it for now. I hope you guys learned something today. I had loads of fun doing the research for this video and got my creative juices flowing. Always remember that the best way to incorporate these techniques into your videos is to plan ahead. Visit locations, read your scripts, understand the story, and always create storyboards. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and please consider subscribing to the channel as it helps more viewers like you find educational content. See you next time.